Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making an elegant 70th birthday cake for a client's sister's 70th birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as I show you how to make this beautiful white and gold themed birthday cake. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's 70th birthday cake decor. So we have 2 8-inch vanilla cake layers, 1 8-inch red velvet cake layer, and 1 8-inch coffee cake layer. And all these cakes are very low on sugar since this is an elderly woman's birthday cake. We'll also be using some buttercream frosting, which is my lemon buttercream frosting, simply delicious and tasty. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We'll use my no sugar milk and vanilla syrup. We'll also use my very stable whipped cream frosting. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We'll use some gold edible sugar balls. We'll also use our edible spirit and edible gold dust. Then to the tools, we'll use some toppers and side toppers. We'll also use our complete cake box set. We'll use some painting brush, solution tape, tissue roses, food gloves, cutters, our scrapers, the spatula, our serrated knife, and then our fondant cutouts tools, including the rolling mat, the rod for rolling the fondant, and then our cutters, the alphabet cutters and number cutters, not forgetting our turntable and all the other stuff that are needed in decorating our cakes as per usual. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, I'll pick up our cake board on the turntable secured with some solution tape, and then we clean it with some tissue. Next, we pipe some of the lemon buttercream frosting on it, and then we start assembling the cake. These cakes have already been cut into the checkerboard effect, which we've made for several cakes on the channel, including the 60th birthday cake we made for a client's husband. And this is the same person ordering for this cake, so the person wanted the same effect but with a different twist, so I decided to add some red velvet and coffee cakes to the mix. So we'll use that same process to alternate and then assemble the cake as we do per usual. For more videos or more just on that, you can check other videos on the channel where I assemble most cakes, including the stunning 60th birthday cake I made for the same client, and you get what I'm trying to say. So we'll use that same process. After that, we'll trim the edges and the sides as well as the top. We'll clear it, crumb coat, and then we'll freeze it for 30 minutes. And this is how the cake looks like after it has been picked out of the fridge. So we'll start adding my stable whipped cream frosting to it, which the recipe is linked below, you can check out to make it as exactly as seen. we'll cover all the sides of the cake and then we'll smoothen it out with our scraper. We'll be using our bench scraper today. And this is how the cake looks like after the smoothing has been done. Just look at that. Before we get into the next aspect of the decoration, please, my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Now we are going to add our toppers. So we start with the 70th birthday topper. This is how it looks like. Now we'll add the happy birthday to the front view of the cake, and this is how it looks. Now we'll move on to adding other stuff to it, including the roses, now we'll top it up with some gold leaves, which I painted from regular green flower leaves. Now we are going to add the gold balls to it, just a few to tie in the look. Finally, we are going to add our fondant cutouts, which are from my homemade fondant. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. And I painted it with my edible gold dust and edible spirit to give off the gold look as requested by the customer. Here we try to make our customers very happy and pleased with our work. So feel free to contact us for all your cakes, and we'll promise a very delicious and sight-pleasing edible treat for all your events. And then finally, we are going to paint the edge on the top part of the cake with some edible gold dust and edible spray. We are going to top it up with some edible sugar balls at distinct places with no formats, just to keep it beautiful and attractive in one way or the other. We are just finishing off the look so that it doesn't look too plain. And this is our elegant 70th birthday cake for our customer as requested. We promise to deliver our best every time customers order from us, so that's what exactly I did here. And just look at that. Now we are going to package it as per usual, and then we'll deliver it on the same day. I started this at dawn at 3 a.m. so that I could deliver it before church service, which starts at 9. But I had to deliver it earlier than that, which is around 8 thereabouts. So I had to do that early and then get to church. And we did something beautiful. I'm sure the customer is going to love it. It's time for packaging, so we'll place on our cake box, which is the complete set. We'll add the top bit of the cake box, and then we'll add our gold ribbon to it. And this is how it looks like. Very presentable and ready for delivery. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.